How to convert video to MP3 file. So here is a short and clear guide perfect for YouTube or Reels. So first of all you have to do is simply open any web browser on your device. So here as you can see I have my Google web browser opened and I also have a screen recording available to convert it. Type down video to MP3 converter in the search address bar and hit enter and search for it. So now all you have to do is tap on the first option available there. Then tap on the upload file and upload the file you want to change it to MP3. Now there you can see from device option available, tap on it, or you can simply drag and drop as well. So here I have my file option available in the desktop. So let me just tap on it and open it. Now you can see convert option available there, tap on it. It might take few moments for your video to convert to MP3, so wait patiently. And once done so, you will get to see your download option available there. Simply tap on the download and download the MP3 version of your video and it will be downloaded to your device. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.